Now let us discuss about B tree of order 5. So here the order is 5, order m equal to 5. So the maximum number of keys per node are order minus 1, m minus 1, that is 4. And the maximum number of children per node are order value only, that is 5. So let us solve this problem. So first node is 7. So we know that we will insert the nodes in the leaf node. So the first node is 7. Insert 7 in the leaf node. Next node is 15. So insert 15 in the leaf node. Here we have to arrange the keys in ascending order. So after 7 we will get 15. Next 3 we have to arrange in ascending order. So first we will get 3, next to 7, next to 15. 3, 7, 15. Next we have 16. So arrange in ascending order. So 3, 7, 15 and 16. So next we have 5. We have to arrange in ascending order. So 5 will be inserted here. 3, 5, 7, 15, 16. But here what is the constraint? The maximum number of keys per node are 4 only. So we can say that now the leaf node is full. So we have to calculate the middle value. Out of 3, 5, 7, 15, 16, which is the middle element? 7 is the middle element. So move 7 up. So now 7 will becomes the parent node. So parent node contains a key called 7. 3 and 5 are less than 7. So 3, 5 are left child of 7. Next 15, 16 are greater than 7. So they are right child. So next one is 1. 1 is less than 7. We always insert in leaf node. So at the left leaf node we have to insert 1. Arrange in ascending order. So that means 1, 3, 5. Next we have 18. 18 is greater than 7. So we have to insert in this leaf node. So arrange in ascending order. 15, 16, 18. Next we have 9. 9 is greater than 7. So that means we have to insert in this leaf node. So arrange in ascending order. So 9, 15, 16, 18. Next we have 35. 35 is greater than 7. So we have to insert in this leaf node. Next we have 28. 35 means after inserting 35, the leaf node is full. We can accommodate only 4 keys. But here we have 5 keys. So we can say that leaf node is full. So we have to split this node into 2 parts. So what is the middle element? 16. So move 16 to the up. So now the parent node will contain 2 keys. The first key is 7. The second key is 16. Why? Because 16 is the middle element. 1, 3, 5 are less than 7. So they will become the left child. 1, 3, 5. Next, 9 is in between 7 and 16. 9 is greater than 7 but less than 16. So we have to insert 9 here. Next 15 is also greater than 7 and less than 16. So 9, 15. Next 16 is pushed up. 18, 35 are greater than 16. So they will become the right child of 16. So 35 is over. So next node is 28. 28 is greater than 16. So we have to insert in this. So 18, 28, 35. Next we have 39. 39 is greater than 16. So we have to insert in this leaf node. 39. Arrange in ascending order. So 39 is inserted. So the next node is 17. 17 is greater than 17. So we have to insert in this leaf node. So 17, 18, 28, 35, 39. So we can say that this leaf node is full. So we have to move this node to the parent node. So now the parent node will contain 3 keys. They are already we have 7, 16. Now we are pushing 28 up. So 28. 1, 3, 5 are less than 7. Next 9 and 15 are in between 7 and 16. 9, 15. Next 28 is next here we have 17, 18. 17, 18 are in between 16 and 28. 17, 18. 17 and 18 is greater than 16 and less than 28. Next to 35 and 39 are greater than 28. 35, 39. Next let us insert the next node. So 17 is over. So the next node is 14. 14 is greater than 7 but less than 16. So we have to insert 14 here. So 9, 14, 15. Next we have 20. 20 is greater than 16 but less than 18. So here in this leaf node we will have 17, 18 and 20. Next 22. 22 is greater than 16 but less than 18. So after 20 we will have 22. 20, 22. Next here we have 25. So 25 is greater than 16 but less than 28. Let us insert here. So now we can say that the leaf node is full. So let us construct the tree here after inserting these elements. So the parent node will contain 3 elements 7, 16, 28. 1, 3, 5 are less than 7. 1, 3, 5 are less than 7. Next 9, 14 and 15 are in between 7 and 16. 9, 14, 15. Next 17, 18, 20, 25 are in between. Here for space constraints I am writing here, but all these are at the same level only. We have here 17, 18, 20, 22. Next we have 25. 17, 18, 20, 22, 25. Next 35 and 39 are greater than 18. So if you see here the leaf node is full. So we have to find the middle element. So that is 20. So push this element up. So after insertion the tree is like this. Here we have 25 and 27. So previously the parent node will contain 3 keys. Now in parent we have 4 keys 17, 16. So push this element up. So we have to arrange in ascending order. So 7, 16, 20 and 28. 1, 3, 5 are less than 7. 9, 14 and 15 are in between 7 and 16. 9, 14, 15. Next here we have from 16 to 28 we have 17 and 18 are in between 16 and 20. 17, 18. Here all these are at the same level. 17, 18. Greater than 16 and less than 20. Next 22, 25 are in between 20 and 28. 22, 25. Next 35 and 39 are greater than 28. 35, 39. Next here we have 27. 27 is in between 20 to 28. So after 20 to 25 we will have 27. So after inserting all these nodes in B tree of order 5, so this is the final output. Likewise we can solve any example very easily.